Hello, this is Tarek from Funnel Gear. I'm going to show you how to set up this smart order pump with add click to add feature using system.io. From here you can see if we click this add button, the order pump product is added inside order summary. Also, we can hide more contents clicking on this more hyperlink. And we have another button at the bottom of this content that is doing a similar feature. Like if you click on this button, it's adding this order bump product to the order summary. So from here you can see we can add different columns and images and contents by default inside this order bump element. So from here you can see you can add let's say you want to add 3 columns. Just drag and drop here inside this order bump, then resize those column size, and I can easily add those images. And those text, you can change those style, add different colors based on your branding. Then I've added 2 buttons. So important part is we need to adjust few settings here, and based on those settings my code will identify those buttons and this more link. So first of all we're going to copy this order bump ID. From here, if you click on this order bump settings and scroll down at the bottom of these settings, from here you can see the ID attributes. So you need to copy this ID attribute, order bump, then this number. Just click on this copy. I've added this ID inside my script. So if you click on these settings and edit footer code, I've added the order bump ID here. So from here you can see it says late bump ID. Late bump ID equals the single quote, then this bump ID. Make sure to add this hash icon, then paste your bump ID here. And also you're going to change bump background colors. You'll add your preferred background color hex code for this background. So from here you can see this background color is a bit grayish color. You can change this color, updating this color hex code inside this code where it says like bump background color equals to this hex code. And then we're going to collect this toggle content row ID. I've added a single row here, then just added those bullet list element. You can change those text and design based on your requirements, but we're going to copy this row ID. So if you click on this row settings, from here you'll copy this row ID, and we're going to add this row ID inside footer tracking code. So you will paste this row ID here where it says button bump content toggle ID, that this is where you're going to paste this row ID. Whenever you're going to paste any ID, make sure to you add this hash icon first inside this single quote, then paste this ID. Then we have collected this bump element ID. Then we have collected this row ID. So from here you can see, if we click on this more link, this content row is visible. So my script is collecting this row ID and adding this row below this bump element based on this row ID. So make sure you copy and paste this row ID carefully. Then we have added two products and change those product settings with add and added text. So from here you can see, for this first button, bump button, the bump button URL action will be hash icon, then bump dash button. So based on this URL, my code will add the bump product into order summary. So this button URL will be hash icon, then bump dash button, and make sure this action set to open URL. Then you can just customize those margin paddings and other settings here, fonts, background color, and if you want any hover effect, we don't need any hover effects. So I've changed nothing more here, and make sure this button is set to desktop and mobile both. Then for this added button, I've added different background color and different text, but the main important part is make sure to add another URL for this added button, that will be hash icon bump dash button dash added. So that's the only difference. This one is bump button, and this button URL will be bump dash button dash added. So that's all. You can copy paste, duplicate those two buttons anywhere you want. So I've added those two buttons at the bottom of those toggle contents. So those two buttons work similarly, and make sure to update those duplicated button URL as well. This one will be bump dash button, and this added button URL will be bump dash button dash added. So those are actually the main important part of this script, and based on those setup, my code will collect those individual button selector and perform the specific action based on those button clicks and this more links. Another part is we need to set URL for this hyperlink as well. So for this more hyperlink, I've added a link here. So if you click on this link here, you can see hash icon, then toggle dash bump dash content. So based on this URL, this content row will be hidden or visible. You can just duplicate and use this toggle link separately for desktop and mobile. So if you want, you can just copy this one and set it for mobile only. Then you can adjust it here. So from here you can add this after this button, and set it to desktop only. So whatever you do, make sure you just add this link URL here, toggle dash palm dash content. Make sure to you add this hash icon, then save your page. I've already added this script inside this settings footer code. So whenever you're going to use this code in your new funnels, you can just copy paste this under script, and make sure to change those bump ID, then bump content toggle ID, and bump background color. So those are the part for updating inside script, and you need to adjust those button URL settings, then this link, text link. So that's all. Feel free to reach out if you face any issues, and I'll be able to fix it. Thank you.